I don't think it's physically wet, Joanne. I think it's just, it makes it cold. It's not physically wet. I can't wait to get mine and I'll be able to show you. Right. Yeah, I've not got mine yet, Joanne. I'm waiting to get mine. So I'll have to read it and have a look. But I think they're more for us to go around our shoulders and stuff. I've got it. I could do it now because I've ordered it to try it over my head when I've got a migraine. And I'm going to have one this weekend when I ain't got it. You watch, I'm going to predict it now. So work it out. In 4 weeks' time, on a Friday, I'm going to get my next migraine.
You win.
Hey, your sunburn looks... It's not bad, actually. So, yeah, 4 weeks' time, I'll have a migraine. Now I've got coil in and I've had my first migraine, I should be able to judge when they come in. So I can work around it. That's what I used to do. No, it's fine, lovely. That's what I used to do. If I'd got a migraine coming, I used to be like, no, I've got a migraine due. And I'd predict it. This is the party that tripled our national debt for close to £3 trillion. This is the party that squandered, we heard about COVID. This is the party that squandered £5 billion to fraud, including £200 million. Baroness Mo, remember Baroness Mo? I think we're going to have a walk to market tomorrow, maybe. I haven't been to Fishman last week because I've got a bad stomach, so we might go round to Fishman tomorrow because I miss my prawns. That is why most of your colleagues lost their seats in the last general election, and most of your colleagues... But I'll not be in bed late tonight because my head. Put a towel around your neck and feet in a bowl of warm water. That helps mine. Yeah, I can try it. I'll try out. Yeah, well, I don't think... Kids have been on the beach today, so we like to... Because we don't get long here. Obviously, we've got all day. My fan's died. Need to plug it out. I'm going to show you before it stops working. It stops going round again. In fact, it stopped going round, isn't it? It's this finishes, guys, in 3 hours 22 minutes. But this is the pink fan. I absolutely love the pink one. Yeah, I think we're going to have a walk down to. It sleeps. It's got a double bedroom. The master ensuite, that's got a toilet in, and then it's got a twin room cat. I always put my middle two in there, and then it's got a sofa bed. I don't mind people sleeping on a sofa bed, but I'd prefer it if they were like 5. You know what I mean? Don't like to overcrowd it, especially now we've got this new one. I'm struck by the fact that although we kind of feel like we live in a world where reform are just waiting to take power. No, Tracy, thank God. They're trashing my house instead. She's having a Chinese at house. Does it sleep 8? No. A maximum of 5 I like. No, last time she had a Chinese at mine, she just left its Chinese on side. She's not too bad. It's a dog what's a pain in the ass. Oh, thank you. They're just them chill out ones.
Why would you go to sleep? Why are you going to be asleep?
I think they was from...
Did you give away?
I don't know.
Are you going to give away? Ready?
Let me see if I look.
I shook him away.
I think they're from Primark. Yes, cat. Yeah, I love them. I love these little shorty sets. They're so comfy. First thing I do when I get in is get my pajamas on, whip my underwear off, and just relax. Yeah, straight off. As soon as you're coming from work. Yeah. I have a view, and that is that many of us in this country are complete. But I am going to go soon, guys. Yeah. We're going to do that water challenge tomorrow, Joanne, because of my head, and it's been a bit hectic today. We didn't get a chance. But yeah, we're going to do it tomorrow. Probably do it in the morning, actually. But I've got to film it because the kids are going to be on it, so I can't do it live. But I will be live in the morning. Yeah. I'm on tomorrow. I'm on it. I'll be on it morning, and then I'll probably be on it afternoon when we get back from visiting round. But don't forget, guys, if you've got your fans in the basket, check out. No, I'm not having no fruity water because of my head. But yeah, if you've got it in your basket, make sure you check out before midnight because that's when the sale ends. And it's been a pleasure chatting to you all again. And I'll see you all in the morning. See you later, guys. Night, night. Night, lovely. Night, beauty.